Consistency is key when it comes to remaining profitable and remaining in the game of trading. All right. So there are these hype bunnies on social media who are happy to show you their rented, which is often the case, rented sports cars and their mansions and whatever the case would be. And they speak about, these big numbers that are coming in and how they make multiple tens of thousands a month because of that one big trade or that hot tip or getting to an ICO or whatever kind of scammy activity that they got planned to try and get your money to them. This kind of doesn't really happen in the trade world. All right. So what you're looking for is to rather have a responsible position size and taking profit more consistently with a smaller amount than having that one big trade that could either bring in big wins, but more than likely it's going to bring in big losses. Okay, so just focus on getting in that consistent money. Be okay with a $500 trade. You don't have to lock in $5,000 a trade. Get in that consistency and focus on the long run, on the game overall, rather than that immediate instant gratification, which seldomly works out for many.